Are you looking for a way to sync between Trello and Microsoft Outlook Calendar? With zzBots, it is now easier than ever to install this full two-way sync from our plugin store. This plugin contains two bots. One bot will monitor for new or updated cards in Trello and then automatically sync them over as Outlook Calendar events. The other bot will monitor for new or updated events in Outlook Calendar and then automatically sync them over as Trello cards. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Trello account. After your account is connected, select the board and the list that you want to sync with. Next, set up the connection with your Microsoft Outlook Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync with. After you click Next and Install Now, this full two-way sync will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bots as well as configure your bot settings. Although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by creating a new card in the specified list in Trello and then making an update to a pre-existing card. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for each bot, as shown here, that will show a history of all of the events and cards synced over. The bot power used each time your bot syncs data will be shown here. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered by a new or updated card or event. In Outlook Calendar, you can see that the two different cards from Trello synced over successfully. With your bots enabled, all new or updated cards or events will continue to automatically two-way sync between Trello and Microsoft Outlook Calendar. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we will be happy to help you.